Hi, my name is Deborah Mezz. I came to the event today. I've been investing for 20 years in real estate, and I came to the event today because I have a passion for real estate, passion for learning, and Jonathan is always my go-to person for that. And I knew it would be great, and it is. It's been a wonderful event. I'm glad I came. You know, many people that I've met and have enjoyed my time here, and I look forward to future events. He explains a lot, and he's very thorough in everything he says and explains, and it's what can I say? It's very enjoyable. I feel this event because I feel I am somewhat experienced. I feel that you can go on to the next level, which is what I'm looking to do. Whether you want to upscale your portfolio, you want to go to the next level in your career, you want to flip more, whatever it is you want to do, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced, this program can help you. I feel like his events are more real because he's an investor, he's a realtor, he's a broker, and he talks on everyone's level. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced, you can understand what he's saying, and he's been there, right? He's been there. So he talks about when he first began to where he is now. What really impressed me was when he said that he bought that building and he didn't realize, or the selling agent didn't let him know that it was commercially zoned. He was able to sell that to an investor, and I believe he made $800,000. That blew me away, because that was brilliant. That was impressive. So it goes to show you what you can do with a property that you buy and have its highest and best use and make a lot of money doing that. No matter what level you're at, if you want to invest in real estate, this is the place for you. Jonathan Steingraber's events are where you want to be, without a doubt.